In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the Clipboard or Clipboard settings to communicate on your Chromebook device to your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser, select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then on the right, underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Scrolling down underneath Additional Permissions, expanded, and then you want to select where it says Clipboard, select that, and then you can have sites can ask to see text and images on your clipboard, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.